Good morning, everybody. It is Miss Cannon, and happy Monday. This is our third week of digital learning, and you guys are killing it, and I'm very proud of you guys. Just keep working hard. So this week for math videos, it's going to be a little bit different because I've already given examples of all of the types of problems that you're going to see. So this week I have just made a little chart to refer you back to the other videos because it would be the same review. If you do get stuck on any specific problem, take a snapshot of it and send it to me on Dojo or Remind 101, and I will help you work through that specific one. But as far as needing examples and things like that go, this is kind of a little way for you to see which videos to watch. So on Monday, you'll be working on equivalent fractions. So if you want a review, you can go back and watch the video from day 1 or day 6. All right, and then tomorrow you'll be doing comparing fractions. So you can go to the day 2 or day 7 video for review. Then Wednesday you're adding and subtracting fractions, and you will go to the day 3 or day 8 video for review. And then Thursday is rounding, and you'll watch the day 9 video. And remember, there's charts on there to help you and all of the rules that I've written down for you. So that should be a lot of help if you're struggling with rounding or remembering the rules to round. And then on Friday, you have multi-step word problems. Watch day 5 video for review. I imagine that one given you guys the most trouble. So if you get stuck on a problem at all, please just contact me. I have no problem helping you out with it. This is our last week of this type of learning in which you already have a worksheet. After we come back from spring break, we will do it a lot different. I will work on getting more information about that out to you guys over the next, well, probably throughout spring break, because I've got to spend that much or that time trying to figure out what programs to use and things like that. But anyways, if you have any problems this week, just let me know and I will help. I hope everybody has a great Monday, and thanks. Bye.